celebrators are being accused of ruining it for everybody else. We told you Monday some people who live in Harrisburg called 911 because of gunfire. But as News Channel 6's George Escala tells us, that's not the only issue making noise.
New Year's Eve now 5 days away, but for some city leaders, the hangover lingers about the way people in Augusta celebrated and how long they celebrated. Here's the list of all the 911 calls on New Year's Eve and day with complaints about gunfire. And it wasn't just Harrisburg, but commissioners wonder what can be done.
You can't find the ones that's shooting. So you send the deputy out, the deputy gets out there, then whoever shot the weapon is gone.
Fireworks are the traditional way to ring in the new year, but some city leaders have heard too much.
Against fireworks being shot off all night long. I know that we're going to have some celebration, but people need to know when to cut it off.
Georgia law allows fireworks any day up to midnight, but on New Year's Eve, the cutoff is 1 a.m. or is supposed to be.
That wasn't the case. That needs to be taken care of too. We need to figure out a way to redo this ordinance. I got a lot of calls about it. The next day, my phone blew up.
Under state law, commissioners could create a local fireworks ordinance and make the cutoff earlier, something McKnight wants city leaders to discuss.
People are not obeying the 1 o'clock curfew to end the fireworks. And so what's unfair about that is it ruins it for others who are abiding.
Now, last year after the 4th of July, Commissioner McKnight did bring forward a proposal to discuss the city fireworks ordinance, but after some initial noise, things did quiet down. In Augusta, George Escala, WJBF, News Channel 6.